My name is Stephanie Push. I am a co-founder and executive vice president at Trusted Semiconductor Solutions. So we are developing electronics that can operate in environments that electronics shouldn't operate in. And we're not only doing that, we're doing it with the most advanced commercial technologies. So having a part be able to operate through a solar flare, that doesn't happen. Electronics don't like high waves of radiation. They will disintegrate, they will stop operating. So the fact that we can do that is amazing. Personally, I've always been really interested in electronics and technology in general. Loved STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and math, and always wanted to do something in that area. And I got involved in supporting the defense industrial base and space programs through working at Honeywell. So Honeywell has their own manufacturing and they don't use anyone else's. And we saw the opportunity to use United States-based manufacturing and services, and that's what we wanted to do. So broaden it from what Honeywell was doing. So we really focus on high reliability applications. So those are things that are operating over extended temperature ranges for long periods of time. A lot of commercial electronics are actually specifically designed to fail after a certain period of time so that you buy more. In our industry, when you're putting electronics into things that go into space, you want those satellites to last 10, 20, 30 years. And so we're working on that high reliability side and also radiation hardened so that they can operate through large radiation environments, and those might be in space, they might be in medical scenarios. So there's kind of a niche area, but really important to have electronics that can operate and survive in those environments.
And this is another example of where a team, came out of a large defense contractor to start up their own company and then to use SBIR funding to not only do that research, but then also to commercialize and make that capability available to other firms and to support our economy and national defense.
So the SBIR program is so important to our success. It has helped us develop and advance technology ideas that we've had. It has helped connect us with different agencies in the Department of Defense. We've done SBIRs for Army, we've done them for Navy, we've done them for Air Force, we've done them for Missile Defense Agency. And now we're actually talking to the Department of Energy to do an SBIR program. And the SBIR funds helped get us going. It gave us name recognition in the industry. It showed that it gave us an opportunity to highlight what we can do. And we are so excited. We're talking to one of the agencies now about our first phase 3 program. So it's doing what it's intended to do, which is start with an idea and get it to something that can be productized. And yeah, it's been so instrumental in making us a success as a company. We started with 2 people, when we're over 60 people now. Like I said, all self-funded, and a lot of that has to do with the funding we got through SBIR programs and derivative contracts from that. I have to pinch myself sometimes. It's super exciting. There are many times when you start a company that you wonder what the heck you're doing and should I give up? We're myself and the CEO are persistent people. We believe we could do this. I just got off the phone with Boeing, Lockheed, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon. They're pulling us into programs saying, hey, we need you to help us on this program. It's a program of record. We need your technology and your expertise. I never thought I'd see that day. So it's super exciting. And I also like to tell people that we're in this to see what's the end of the story. So I can't wait to see what comes next and where we're going, because I think we have a lot of momentum and we have more to contribute, and I'm excited to see us continue to grow. SBIRs are a great way for the country to invest in new technologies, help out these small businesses get their foot in the door, get started, prove what they say they can do, And that's how we're going to remain world leaders in everything we do, quite honestly, because electronics go into everything. It goes, obviously, protecting national security is critical, but it also goes into our communication systems, our energy systems, our transportation systems. So it's really, really important to keep funding that innovation.